Okay, next one. CBD test. Look for infection, inflammation, allergies, or leukemia. White blood cell count. Leukocyte. Parts, white blood cells, antibodies, complement system, lymphatic system, spleen, bone marrow, thymus. Test for that stuff. Heal, healthy tests. Heal, halo, hello, ni hao, ciao, oof. Alan, aloha, bonjour, konnichiwa. I'm getting these all out of the way. That way I don't. Okay. Slay. Lessons learned. Lesion. Imparat. Imparat. Seaweed. Seaweed. Ed. Mother Matra. Form. Forta. Strong. Piscara. Fishing. Notrafet. Anyways, okay, Black's Law Dictionary. Yes, if you look that up, that's a maritime. Black's Law Dictionary. It has a lot to do with wordplay, a lot to do with wording, wordsmiths, like words become things, and the placement and the values of the letters and all that, all intertwined. So, maritime. Okay. X usually marks the spot. X marks the spot. Lifting the veil. Where is the color? You got black and white for yin and yang, balance between the two, supposedly. And then I got id. Your id, if you know anything about that, and your it. Lay 8 equals brown in brackets plus brown. 8. Okay, so 8 colors of the chakras, like the rainbow, all together equals brown. Would that not be 9? Brown's like the earth. Yeah, if you mix all the colors together, you get brown. So instead of, they say there's 7 in the rainbow, right? Oh my goodness. Adam's secret, Victoria's secret. Rush not. Okay. No rush. Monarch. Spelt it all different way. Ireland. Ireland. You are the land. Vows. Notes. Knots. Other notes. Hook no more. Aye, Captain. You know the patch over the eyes too, or the wooden peg leg, also like a flamingo standing on one leg, to give everybody a heads up for the whole idea of the sea-bearing people. Many languages. Eyeful, to give you an eyeful, an earful. Almonds, all worlds. Some people stealing that. Don't choke. Pareidolia, to see things in blobs or patterns. or shadows or just colors. Yeah. Sync to emotional energies of the perceiver, whatever unhealed traumas too. Chocolate. Oh, everybody loves their chocolate. Left side, right side. This will be for the next video. Freya, Norse goddess, Vanir. Hey, that's a piece of lavender. Thank you. Love, well, fertility, pathway, art. Athena, wisdom, courage, skills, arts. Kuan Yin, pure water, empowerment, spiritual life, compassion. Not sure what that is. Inanna, courage, strength, abundance, fertility. My own sigil I made with a bunch mixed together. I think it goes this way. This way? Yeah, I think so. Hathor, joy, music, motherhood, sun, moon, pupil, student, also the teacher, perception, protect. I love that. Single, sigil, signal, your blinkers, left and right, signals. Bridge, Celtic poetry, healing, unity, entwined serpent, fire elements.